Hello everyone and welcome to another video on Flask. Today we're going to go over a couple things. To start off, I wanted to go over how to pass information like variables from our functions to our templates. So to start off, let's define a variable. This one we'll just call text, and inside of it we will have hello world. Okay, and then from here you want to grab the name of the text and actually put a comma here and then have the name of the variable that you want to have in your template and then the name of this. So for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to have them as the same. And then we'll go over to our index.html file, and similarly to how we wrote Python, we're actually, instead of going to put a percentage symbol, we're going to put two curly braces. So inside here we're going to have the variable name we defined, which is going to be referencing this text, and then we should have it working. So let's click our server. And here we go, we have hello world. I'll change it to hello Python just so you could see a better example, because I have a couple hello worlds in our code. And yeah, here we go, hello Python. So that's the first thing. That's how you're going to be passing information when you have a more in-depth website, when you want to pass in user information and all of that stuff. So now the second thing I want to go over is template inheritance. What template inheritance is that, let's say you have a website and you're going to want to have a navigation bar or a footer bar. You don't want to have to define that code in every HTML file. You want to have one base file which every website is gonna, every HTML form is gonna take from, and then you just kind of, with every HTML file it's different, you add the different information, but there's one base HTML file. So to start off, let's go to the Bootstrap website to take our navigation bar. Now to use Bootstrap, which is basically just CSS that's already written for you, you're gonna want to copy this CSS tag, go to your index.html file, you can delete the text variable, and you want to put that in the header of your HTML file. And then you're going to want to copy all of this JS code, and you're going to want to put that at the end of your body, not after. You want to put it at the very end of your body tag. Okay, so now that we have both of these imported, let's look up what we want to take from Bootstrap, which in this case will be a navigation bar. So you can see all these different types of nav bars, but I'll just go ahead and grab this one. So you can just, it's as easy as just copy and pasting it, and now we should have it working. Let's go, and you can see right here the profile isn't working for some reason, but we can see that we have the Bootstrap navigation bar right here. Now that we have it, how do we actually go about inheriting? So for this, you're going to want to make another HTML file in your template file, and we can call this home.html. Now to inherit from another template, you're going to want to do curly braces, extends, quotations, and then the name of your file, so which in my case is index.html, and I forgot, but you actually need to put parentheses symbols here, or not percent symbols, sorry. And then now this in itself works, this will work, but to actually put content inside of this file, we are going to need to write some other curly braces information in the forms of blocks. So I'll give you an example right here. We are going to call this a block content, and you're going to need to end it similarly to how we ended for loops in our last episode. So what this is right here, is where all of the information from templates go. When you define a block of content in the base or index HTML file that all of your HTML files will inherit from will only go in the places you define. So in this case, we're going to define a location called block content, and we're going to end it. And then to use it in our home HTML, we just redefine it here. There you go. And now in here, we can define whatever we want. So I'll just write hello template. Okay, so now that we have our template inherited design done, let's go here and let's change index HTML to home.html, run our server and see what we get. Alright, and as you can see here, hello template was rendered. But if we go back here and go back and say index and restart our server, it's not there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this small video. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future, and have a good day.